could I know it would be goodbye, my love? When did the closer forever come, my love? All I recall was a stare that was vacant and cold. Where did the spark go, the warmth that once stole my soul?
I alone had no body, no senses, no feelings. I was in hell, looking at heaven.